Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to generate product descriptions with Shopify's AI. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right, so first up, as you can see here under this product, I've used AI or the Shopify Sidekick to go ahead and make a description for me. Now, to go ahead and do that, click on products. I'm going to discard it for now. Click on products. Now go ahead and select the product, for example, this PDF right here. So just go ahead and click on the description box. Now go ahead over to the Sidekick or Shopify Sidekick. Now just write in a prompt. For example, this prompt right here. Rewrite this product description to sound more playful and emphasize that it's organic. Make sure, by the way, that you just use the text prompt. Do not use voice mode if you're trying to make changes, or use the AI right here to do changes to your specific descriptions or whatever. It could be on your Shopify store. I'm just going to go ahead and add in up to you just for now. Okay. You can basically edit the prompt however you want, add in some more prompts if you want to. And as you can see here, as fast as that, we now have a description. So for example, it says here, good things come in digital form. This PDF is as fresh and natural as it gets. You can add in the PDF's content right here if you want to. So the description will be more personalized. All right, so that's basically it. That is how you generate product descriptions with Shopify AI. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.